staining the inches of skin. O's as the clouds as they whisper above us. Oh, what a life it's been. And all the lies we've lied, and all the time that's timed our lives. How do we know what's wrong or right this time? When all of the trees falling down to the ground and fall to your knees like a child that is crawling. All the while we never stop to smile. How she loves how the spring comes to greet her with lands overflowing with green. All of the drops falling down till they meet us, latching themselves onto me. Tears from her eyes I've collected, form in the skies and leave us unprotected. I can't fathom why we say goodnight. When we mean to say
Great big bang and dinosaurs, fiery rain and meteors. It all ends unfortunately, but you're gonna live forever in me, I guarantee. Just wait and see. Parts of me were made by you, and planets keep their distance too. The moon's got a grip on the sea, and you're gonna live forever in me. I guarantee it's your destiny. Life is full of sweet mistakes, and love's an honest one to make. Time leaves no fruit on the tree, but you're gonna live forever in me. I guarantee it's just meant to be. And when the pastor asks the pews for reasons he can't marry you, I'll keep my word and my seed. But you're gonna live forever in me, I guarantee. Just wait and see.
Sunlight dances off the leaves, birds of red color the trees, flowers filled with buzzing bees, and places we won't walk. Neon lights shine bold and bright, buildings grow to dizzying heights. People come alive at night, and places we won't walk. Children cry and laugh and play, slowly hair will turn to grey. We will smile to end each day in places we won't walk. Family look on in awe, petals decorate the floor. Waves gently stroke the shore, and places we won't walk. Children cry and laugh and play, slowly air will turn to grey. We will smile to end each day in places we won't walk.
things getting so blurry now. Vision hurting, I can't stand the look of you now. Everything's different. Yeah, I heard you moving back from out of town. Yeah, I heard you traveling all these miles and miles, trying to get back to my love, but it's harder now. Everything's different. Oh, I can't lie, I want you on me. Girl, I wanna love you closely. I don't want nobody on you. If that body ain't me, body ain't me. I lied when I said I hate you. Baby, I was trying to get through. I don't want nobody on you. If that body ain't me, body ain't me, yeah. I've been hearing voices, can't get them out. Used to playing cool, but I need you now. Vision clearer, I can see it all better now. Everything's different. Yeah, I know you got a whole lot to figure out. Just know that I'm always here for you, girl, no doubt. Before building up, sometimes gotta break it down. Everything's different. Oh, I can't lie, I want you on me. Girl, I wanna love you closely. I don't want nobody on you. If that body ain't me, body ain't me. I lied when I said I hate you. Baby, I was trying to get through. I don't want nobody on you. If that body ain't me, body ain't me, yeah.
You were there every time that I needed a shoulder. And you kept me warm when my world grew darker and colder. You gave your strength when mine had gone, and I could not go on. Where were you when I hurt the most? Where were you when I needed hope? I needed you close. You were by my side. Where were you? Where were you? You were by my side. Where were you? Where were you? You were by my side. You picked me up anytime that I start sinking lower. And I think to myself, what would life be if I didn't know you? You were the spark that lit the path to carry on. Where were you when I hurt the most? And where were you when I needed hope? I needed you close. You were by my side. Where were you? Where were you? You were by my side. Where were you? Where were you? You were by my side. You were by
wake up and smell the coffee. Is your cup half full or empty? When we talk, you say it softly, but I love it when you're awfully quiet. Quiet. You see, a piece of paper could be a little greater. Show me what you could make her. You'll never know until you try it. You don't have to keep it quiet. And I know it makes you nervous, but I promise you it's worth it to show 'em everything you kept inside. Don't hide, don't hide. Too shy to say, but I hope you stay. Don't hide away. Come out and play. Look up out of your window, see snow, won't let it in though. Leave home and feel the wind blow, 'cause it's colder here inside in silence. You don't have to keep it quiet. Yeah, I know it makes you nervous, but I promise you it's worth it to show 'em everything you kept inside. Don't hide, don't hide. Too shy to say, but I hope you stay. Don't hide away. Come out and play.
Tracksuits and red wine, movies for two. We'll take off our phones and we'll turn off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. 'Cause you watch the TV while I'm watching you. There's not many people I'd honestly say I don't mind losing to. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. Dumb conversation, we lose track of time. Have I told you lately I'm grateful you're mine? We'll watch The Notebook for the 17th time. I'll say it's stupid, then you'll catch me crying. We're not making out on the boat in the rain, or in a house I painted blue. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. So shut all the windows and lock all the doors. We're not looking for no one, don't need nothing more. You'll bite my lip and I'll want you more, until we end up in a heap on the floor. You could be dancing
on tabletops, wearing high heels, drinking until the world spins like a wheel. But tonight your apartment has so much appeal. Who needs stars? We've got a roof. And there's nothing like doing nothing with you. No, there's nothing like doing nothing with you.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'll be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At last long love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'll be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At last my love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
I got no time. I got nowhere to go. Saw you in the love found you. Looking at the tide, found you on the right side. All of a sudden, they were you. There you are. There you are. There you are. There you are. Amidst the sunshine, I can see sunrise, like we out of time. The sun goes down. The sun goes down. The sun goes down. Looking at the tide, found you on the right side. All of a sudden, they were you. There you are. There you are. There you are. There you are. I'm coming back to you. 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 The sun goes down. The sun goes down. The sun goes down. The sun goes down.
Lying isn't better than silence. Floating, but I feel like I'm dying. Still, no matter where I go, at the end of every road, you were good to me. You were good to me, yeah. I know it's easier to run after everything I've done. You were good to me. You were good to me.
I'm still scared of growing old. You were good to me. You were good to me, yeah.
And I'm so used to letting go, but I don't wanna be alone. You were good to me. You were good to me. Yeah. God only knows where our fears go. Hearts I've broke, now my tears flow. You'll see that I'm sorry, 'cause you were good to me. You were good to me. And now I'm closing every door, 'cause I'm sick of wanting more. You were good to me. You were good to me. Yeah. Swear I'm different than before. I won't hurt you anymore, 'cause you were good to me.
We'll have a blue room, a new room for two room, where every day's a holiday, because you're married to me. Not like a ballroom, a small room, a hall room, where I can smoke my pipe away With your wee head upon my knee, we will thrive on, keep alive on, just nothing but kisses, with Mr. and Mrs. on little blue chairs. You sew your trousseau, and Robinson Crusoe is not so far from worldly cares as our blue room far away upstairs.
I found myself dreaming in silver and gold, like a scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We were walking on moonlight, and you pulled me close. Split second and you disappeared, and I was all alone. I woke up in tears with you by my side, a breath of relief, and I realized no, we're not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know when we'll run out of time. So I'm gonna love you in the blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke. You could lose everything. The truth is you never know. So I'll kiss you longer, baby, any chance that I get. I'll make the most of the minutes and love with no regrets. Let's take our time to say what we want, use what we got before it's all gone. No, we're not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know when we'll run out of time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you like we're saying goodbye. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know when we'll run out of time. So I'm gonna love you.
I want to stay by the sea, watching it turn into red. Sit down with the people
Listen through this song. Moon is slowly rising. I see the trees are moving. Sky is brighter through the moon. Look at those trees. Look how they move by the breeze. Look up the stars. Look how they shine through the night.
my top down, sunlight on my skin, on my skin. Feel like I don't got anything to worry. Ain't got nothing. Life is full of joy. Yeah, we got all the toys. I love this sunny day like it's our last day. All my songs are boring, and you know I still love it. I love it. Hope you like this as much as I love Dodgy. She waited. Yeah, I've been trying to make your day with Joey. It's pretty in this perfect sunny day with all these flowers in the sky. Riding with my top down, sunlight on my skin, on my skin. Feel like I don't got anything to worry. Ain't got nothing. Life is full of joy. Yeah, we got all the toys. I love this sunny day like it's our last day. Last day. Look at all these flowers around us. Smell it from the distance. Few miles. Sunday coffee hours. Gorgeous. All the songs are written. Boring. I ain't got no worry about a thing, wow. So don't you ever worry about a thing now. I wrote your Sunday coffee songs, and I can write you even more. Riding with my top down, sunlight on my skin, on my skin. Feel like I don't got anything to worry. Ain't got none. Life is full of joy. Yeah, we got all the toys. I love this sunny day like it's our last day. Last day. Top down on a sunny day. Coffee hours on Sunday. When you're feeling so lonely, I'll be right there on my way. Lots of songs are on the way. I can't wait to show you all. Hope you like the songs I made. You go have great sunny day.
It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea.
can take the long way. We'll get there even if it takes all night. We'll talk until the morning. Don't tell me that you're fine if you're not fine. And if it's only pleasure that you're seeking, then I'll be penciling you in for the weekend. Forget about the white noise. It's chocolate and pajamas till the whole world fades. Just right, yes please. We can sink into the sofa for the whole week. Just right, easy. If we could just break down these walls over some take out. Don't you worry about nothing at all. I can get to know you. We can take it slow, savor every moment, keep it on the low. Baby, just let go. Oh, and we can keep this whole thing casual. Da 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 da. Take it back to the beginning when we first met. I find it funny how you hit me with the silence. Lady, what's the deal? I'm digging your sex appeal, but now when I'm with you, I feel just right. Yes, please. Girl, we can kick it at the crib for like the whole week. Just right. At ease. I'll give you what you need. We could just break down these walls. All this will take out. Don't you worry about nothing at all. I could get to know you. We could take it slow, savor every moment and keep it on the low. Baby, just let go. Girl, we can keep this whole thing. Relaxation till we take it to the limit. Meditation till we let it all go. Lazy days and hazy nights and new beginnings. If you love me, won't you say so? Relaxation till we take it to the limit. Meditation till we let it all go. Lazy days and hazy nights, my head is spinning. Baby, we can keep it casual. Relaxation till we take it to the limit. Meditation till we let it all go. Lazy days and hazy nights and new beginnings. Baby, we can keep it casual.